This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Naomi Race. Located perfectly near grocery, shopping and easy access to interstates, this beautiful home is situated in a cul-de-sac. Large, open lot with plenty of room. This floor plan flows nicely from the front door through to the open living room / kitchen / breakfast nook and out onto the patio. Gas log fireplace and newly installed living room flooring, freshly painted and ready to move in. Downstairs has a formal dining room as well as a den / office that offers tons of flexibility. Upstairs you will find the master and 3 additional bedrooms, the laundry and 2 full baths. Tons of light and storage. Outside has been pressure washed and cleaned. Welcome home to the home that has it all. For more information, review the details below.